Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you if any application is available on your iPhone for the ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova 2 wireless earbuds. So at first, I'm going to tell you that yes, we do have the application for them in our iPhone. If we open App Store, tap search, and here in the search bar we do search for the Armory Crate, we can find the application from the ASUS Tech, from the ladies from the ASUS Tech Development ENC. Here, as you can see, this is the Armory Crate, and this is installed on my phone now, but this is the application which is compatible with the earbuds. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.